Hello, welcome. Custom climbing frame again. This is a mega one. It's meant to be a lot bigger, but unfortunately the couple are going through a divorce at the minute. So halfway through the build, their job has changed. So there's meant to be 3 or 4 sections to this, which is this huge gym thing. Got parallel bars, monkey bars. We attached a fireman's pole on here for just a vertical bar for doing lateral raises, etc. Another bar, gymnastics hoops that are adjustable. So these are on these straps. What you can do is adjust them to whatever height you want. Pull the strap down, and then the wastage gets up and over the top. So depending on age of kids or what you want to do, if you want to have these low for practicing or higher, obviously this one's got double one. Again, stainless steel powder coated, just to add a bit of colour, just to make it a bit more child friendly. Yellow hoops. That there is, I don't know, nearly 3 meters up and braced up. Beautiful day today. Yeah, never mind. That's the gym anyway. So that's for her girl and lads if they want to play on it, I guess, but I think it's mainly for the girl. And then we have 4 towers. These are just under 1.5 meters, I believe, just to make it fit. If we went a bit wider, it would have fitted, but I think it just takes up a little bit too much space. So this tower, I don't know, this first tower, we have a ladder tube slide off, and then open sides so you can walk all the way around. Adults can get around as well quite happily. So you can go down the side. These have been put in sideways just to make it a bit more see-through and just not as bulky. And also you'll see why on the other side. So we have a climbing pole. So it's a vertical pole. Sometimes do square, sometimes do circle. And then they've got little hoops that come off so kids can climb up and down. This is set a little bit higher, so it stops smaller kids from climbing on it. It just means as long as you stop them on the exit entrances, high ladders, they can't really get up there properly. So fireman's pole on here, again bridge through, steps up here, straight down oversized slide. So this is a double skin slide rather than the normal single ones. Significantly more expensive, but they really do finish it off nicely in my eyes. I do want to sell more of these, but they are quite a jump on a normal slide, especially when you have those and a tube. So we have a huge oversized cargo net, and that's why we have our balustrade sideways, just so once they get up and over, it gives them a little step to get down onto the bridges. Again, another slide here for racing. We were going to do 2 slides next to each other originally. This is just how the plans change. Then we discussed having these oversized slides for older kids to play on as well. It just meant then that one tower would either be too big or we had to upscale all of it, and then all of a sudden it pushes it another meter in the wrong direction. Oh, I just got some sweat in my eyes. And then here we can climb up here. So this is the rope pool or the ramp. So we just got an open rope, put some deck in there, and then you can pull yourself up, abseil down, whatever you want to do. Again, oversized rock wall. This is all see-through, and again, adults can get around here. These are what are proper resin blocks, not the sort of thing you're finding on, for example, Selwood and other people like that. These are proper climbing blocks. Again, up, over, flat balustrade on the very top of it, nice and smooth, and then you've got little steps on the way down. 1.5 meter deck height, gives one twist on the slide, and then that is concreted into the floor as well. So we used a different brace on that, same as what you get on a 2.10 meter tube. Finished off with log lap roof. I think it looks fantastic. Really fits in this little patch. No, not little bit. Garden nicely. There we go, nice contrast between the round as well. I think they've got all sorts of stuff here as well. Really nice place. Got the tennis court in there, and I think that room, I was filling out some water, and I think they've got table tennis and all sorts of stuff in there. And then all landscaped over here. And this is where the next sections were meant to be built, and that have now been cancelled. Originally, just to go through it, meant to have between these gaps in the trees a built up little mini platform with a slide. So this was going to be rubbered floor, and then the slide was going to shoot down the actual plants. We're going to take out the bottom couple of plants that got in the way, so that when the kids come out of here, we can have the gate open and come out of here, go along a little rubber path, rather than coming down these dangerous steps. We could then go down the slide, and then this is what we started doing that was halted. So this was meant to be a huge trim trail, so there's going to be stepping stones here. These logs were meant to zigzag literally like that with my finger, balance beam across the bottom, log climber with vertical logs so you can climb up 2 meters over the top. There's going to be an A-frame here, disc swing, another set of swings, zip wire about 45-ish meters. So between this tree and right down there, there's going to be a zip wire. All sorts of work going on. They've literally, I don't know if it was meant to be here or not, but they've got a whole lake in there. That's how we're getting extra work. So that's all drained out at the minute. Oh, that's it, make a really nice photo. So that is the last custom install we've just done. This wood will die down slightly and start matching the fence colour. At the minute with the sun on it, it looks wicked. Might be quite nice to like paint the roofs red to match these other bits. Anyway, thanks very much. Please do like and subscribe. We seem to get loads of people watching our videos, but no one's liking it. We need to be boosted up a little bit. Get YouTube liking us and pushing it forward, and actually pushing and promoting our page, because if people don't watch our videos, we're still turning up to a lot of people with slopey gardens on flat packs and stuff like that. So come on, like, subscribe, say hi. Thanks so much.